How to share your ID in Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your ID with others. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here, we are in this profile settings. Here, you'll be able to see your profile, your details, and everything that you have done in the game. Now, on the top, you can see your ID and your name. So you can easily copy your ID and share it with others. Now in order to copy it, simply tap on this copy button, and as you can see, it has copied your ID. Now you can easily share it with others through social media platforms and other messaging apps, and easily add other players to your friend list. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.